up these two questions on the board. JAMB and WAEC physics class. Now, if you be writing JAMB and WAEC or you be writing any physics exam, please pay close attention. Now, because this video here, like this set of video I will produce it on this YouTube channel or my Facebook page or any other page come across this video here. These are things that will be of great help to you, right? Especially what in physics. So here we have question 1 and question 2. Now, if you see the question and you understand the question here, leave my comment section. Which topic are they? Which topic are they under? Right? So they are for the fundamental, the very fundamentals of this topic, which call speed, velocity, acceleration. Right? So these are things you are going to pay close attention to. You are going to pay close attention to. And now, in the course of me explaining these two questions, I'm going to explain some key concepts for you to understand. Just so let's look at the first question here. Now, it says that a boy cycles continuously through a distance of 1.0 kilometer in 5 minutes. Calculate what the average speed, right? So this is under what speed, velocity, and acceleration. Now remember, speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. So now let me just give you a rundown of this thing here. Now we talk about speed. Speed is because of what? Change in distance or distance over what? Over time. It's okay. And distance is measured in what? In meter. It's okay. Time is measured in what? Time is measured in what? In seconds. It's okay. So if you combine it together here, the unit of speed is what? Meter per what? Seconds. Do you understand? Now, speed makes up of distance, and distance is a vector quantity. It has magnitude but no direction. So now another thing here is what is velocity. Velocity equals to what? Displacements over time, right? And it's also measured in what? In meter. It's also measured in what? In seconds. This is that. So speed and velocity are used interchangeably, but the difference is that is this distance and this displacement. Distance have magnitude but no direction, so it's called scalar quantity. While displacement have both magnitude and direction. Just so they use them what? Interchangeably. The unit of speed, the unit of velocity is also meter per what? Per second. Meter per what? Per seconds. Now, so here you see that a boy cycles through a distance. So they gave me a distance here, right? Now, but distance given to me. So let me know why this place at. The distance given to me here, distance. The distance D is what? Is 1.0 kilometer, right? And the time given to me, time, which is what? T is given to me is what? Is 5 minutes. But understand that in physics, we must understand the unit conversion. Do you understand? Now in physics here, look at the unit of speed. The speed must be what? In meter per second. But here they give me what? Kilometer and minutes. Right? So it means that I have to convert this kilometer to what? To meter. And I have to convert this what? Minutes to what? To seconds. This is that. So this way, unit conversion comes into play. That is why you need to as a science student, you must understand unit conversion. I can convert from one unit to what? To the other. Now, the first step to convert from one unit to the other, you must know the relationship, right? Here you're converting what? For kilometer to what? To meter. So what is the relationship here? You need to ask yourself. Now, 1 kilometer is also 1,000 meter. This is one thing to understand. 1 kilometer equals what? 1,000 meters. So for every kilometer, you have about 1,000 meters. Just so if I'm converting what? Kilometer to what? Meter, because 1 kilometer equals to what? 1,000 meters. Automatically, my distance here is what? Is 1,000 meter. Just 1,000 meter. So this is what you need to understand here. So whenever a kilometer is given to you in a question in physics, you have to convert to what? Whenever a distance is given to you in kilometer, you have to convert to what? To meter. And 1,000 meter equals to what? 1 kilometer equals to what? 1,000 meter. Hope you understand. Now that's what you need to understand. Then you want to convert what? minutes to what to seconds. What do you convert from minutes to what to seconds? How do you convert from minutes to seconds? Please pay close attention here. Now, for minutes to seconds here, remember 60 seconds equals to what? 1 what minutes. Is okay. 60 seconds equals to what? 1 minute. Now, if 60 seconds equals to 1 minute here, right? And here we have 15 minutes here. Then I need to what? Find seconds. This is I need to what? Find seconds because they give me what? Minutes. It's okay. So if I should what make this guy the solve formula here, what will happen here? But I should what make this guy the solve formula here, right? It's going to be s seconds equals to what? This times this. So that's going to be what? 60 seconds times what? 5 minutes over what? 1 minute. It's okay. What up here? This and this will go out. So in the sense that if you're converting what? A minute to what? To seconds, you multiply by what? By 60. Do you understand? If you're converting what? If you're converting what? Minute to what? To seconds, you multiply by what? By 60. And if you multiply it by 60, if you want 50 times 60, no, 5 times 60, here we have what? 300. So my time is what? 300 what? Seconds. Now, let me show you it now. So these are the things to put in mind. It's okay. So now, if you are converting kilometer to meter, is okay. Always multiply by what? 1000. Do you understand? So if for example here you have 2 kilometers, I have to what? Multiply by what? 1000 to get what? 2000 kilometers. It is 1.5. I have to multiply it, right? So this is what you need to put in mind here. You need to what? Put in mind. What I want to put in mind is that if you are converting from minutes to seconds, you multiply by 60. But what about if you are converting from hours to seconds? You multiply by 6 times 60, right? So understand here, for time conversion, from minutes to what? To seconds, multiply by what? 60, right? So from minutes to seconds, you multiply by what? By 60. Just like what we did here. They gave us 50 5 minutes here. So that 5 minutes also the same time was 300 seconds because we multiply by 60, right? Now what about if it's hour, right? From hours to what? Seconds, multiply by 3600. Now why is it 3600? Multiply by what? 3600. Now why is it 3600? Remember 60 seconds is equals to what? 1 minute, right? And 60 minutes equals to what? 1 hour. Is okay. So it's two-way here. Therefore, you convert what? Hour to minutes by multiply by what? 60. They convert minutes to seconds by multiply by 60. So this one also is saying that what? 60 times 60. Just now. So these are things you need to put your mind. So for the distance here or displacement here, you are converting what? Kilometer to what? To meter by multiply by what? 1000, right? Then for the time conversion here, you are from minutes to seconds, you are multiplied by what? 60. From hours to seconds, you are multiplied by what? 3600. So these are things to put in mind, right? So once you have this understanding here, please pause the video and take this down. So once you understand this thing, now we can now what? Calculate what? Our speed. Our speed cannot be calculated easily. So speed now equals to what? Distance. Now what is my distance now? My distance is what? 1000 what? Meter, right? Over, right? Now my time is what? 300 what seconds. You can put seconds here, right? So divide it here, divide it. So when you divide here, 1000 divided by what 300, here we have what 3.3 what meter per seconds. That is the answer. Just it's very easy. Now, if for example here, let me change to the layer. Say here we have 2.1 kilometer, right? And here we have 4 minutes. It's okay. Now go ahead and solve this one for me. Drop your answer at the comment section. Follow exactly what I've done and drop your answer at the comment section, and I'll be glad to hear from you. Let's see how you can solve the second one.